Hello developers and welcome back. In this section, we're going to build this amazing app called the movie application. This application will fetch the data, the movies from online servers from the TMDB API. We're going to fetch the data in form of JSON format and convert JSON response into Java and Kotlin objects. So in this section, we're going to use Java. Later on in the next sections, we're going to build the same app with Kotlin. So we're going to get this response, transform this response into this amazing app that fetches the data from API. Are you ready to build this amazing app following the MVVM architecture, model view model architecture pattern in Android? I guess yes, because you are going to be a professional Android app developer. So let's start building this amazing app and learn about new things, new topics like retrofit, JSON, HTTP request and responses, data binding with RecyclerView, and more topics.